Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be showing you how to use the time travel feature on Google Maps. So for starters, you're just going to want to go to maps.google.com and it'll bring you to this page. So time travel lets you look at how a location looked going back to 2007 when they first started using the Google Maps Street View. So some locations will have more time travel spots than others. So some place like Times Square, where the Google Street View car drives through frequently, will have a lot more than, say, a residential neighborhood where they only go through once every few years. So for starters, we're going to go to the Metropolitan Museum of Art. So here we are. To get to Street View, you're going to go down into the lower right-hand corner where you see this little guy. We're going to drag him over and place him in the street where we want to go. Sometimes you have to navigate a little to get the view you want. Right, so here's the Met. It's showing us the view from October 2017. If you go into the upper left-hand corner, you'll see this button. You click it, and so this will show you all the different times that are available. If you click and drag this, you can go to whatever time. So we'll go back as far as we can, which is July 2011. Drag it to where you want to go and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. So see, now we can see the Met as it appeared in July 2011. And it'll always have that information up in the upper left hand, but also in the lower right hand corner. See here it says image captured July 2011. So we can do this for any of the times they have available. They have August 2014. So again, you can just see how the area itself has changed. Even if we turn around, come down here, if you go down this way, you can see it. And then we can come down here and it will show us, for this one, the closest one they had was September 2015. So you can see the time travel change to that. Right, so now, just to give you an example of a different location, we'll go to the St. John's campus. Right, so again, here we are. We're going to drag our Street View guy right onto Utopia Parkway. Adjust our view, just click and drag, and so here's St. John's. So St. John's has, you'll see, fewer, but they do go back to 2007. So here's the campus in October 2007. They have May 2012, September 2013, October 2014, and then October 2017. So that's the Google Time Travel feature. It's really easy to use, and it's very interesting to look at different locations. Just keep in mind that different locations might not have as many time travel spots, and also just keep the date in mind whenever you're looking, because in some areas the Street View car hasn't been around in a few years. Okay.